Alright, so if you clicked on this video, you might be witnessing the start of a pretty game-changing project that I've been working on in the background for the past year. So if you've been subscribed to my channel, you would know that I've been posting content and I have never mentioned anything about what I'm working on. In addition to that, I've never turned my camera on, and this video is the most raw video I've ever posted on my channel. And that is because I am so excited to present what I have for you guys that like I just got on my PC the second I finished working on it, and I'm recording this video right now. And yeah, I don't even have pants on right now. I mean, I shouldn't be telling you. But anyway, look at the screen, guys. Look at the screen. What have I made? I have made an app that lets you try on car mods before you buy them. Now you might be like, what the hell do you mean try on car mods? I'm talking before you buy a cosmetic mod, you're gonna be able to try it on your specific car before you ever hit the purchase button. And I know right now you're still confused. And guess what? I have prepared for that because I have a live demo. So this right here is the website. It's called Motivax. And before we even look at this website, let me give you guys a brief introduction on how it works. And we're gonna look at a demo and then we're just gonna keep talking about it. I need you guys to watch the video from start until now to the finish because I have a task for you guys. I need you guys to help me. And I'm sure after you see the demo, you're gonna be itching to try it. So let me go back to this little flowchart. And if we go up here, what does Motivax do? So Motivax is very, very simple. It literally works in these 3 steps on the screen. First thing you would do is attach a picture of your personal car. So you can literally be on your phone, walk in front of your car and take a picture. And then you're just gonna pick the cosmetic mods that are available for your car. And then you enter that and watch them get generated onto your car. That's it. That is what Motivax does. And it's such a simple idea, but it's so game changing because imagine before you spend thousands, hundreds of dollars on one of your car parts, you're able to actually try it on. So let's go on the website and take a look at what's going on. So here's the website, Motivax, and basically this is the type of transformation you're expecting. So you have your stock Mustang, and this hopefully I'm planning to scale this so this works with every single car. I have to personally train each car, so I can't just like make it work for all of them. But right now I have Mustangs up and ready to go because I'm a Mustang channel. But yeah, this is like how you start with the car, and then boom, you get new headlights, new grille, new hood, all that stuff. So if we scroll down, what's different on this website is we have this right here, which is the Try On Studio. And what you want to do in the Try On Studio is first click upload an image, and I'm going to put this blue Mustang I have. And what it's going to do is it's going to scan the car for available parts. And look at that, guys. It perfectly scanned the car and marked where the front lip is, where the front grille is, and when the front headlights are. And once you have it in the studio, you're going to go ahead and click front lip, for example, and boom, it's going to go to the shop. And guys, this is a completely different shopping experience than what you're probably used to. Over here, you have the regular description, picture, add to cart, try it on car. Wait, what? Try it on car? Have you seen that before? No. What we're going to do is click on the try it on car. And if we go back to the studio, on the left side, it's added to the build queue. And basically, we can try on this front lip. Now, I'm not going to just stop at the front lip. Let's go to the front grille and actually try this on the car as well. And then go back to the studio. So now when I go and hit preview your build, we are going to see how the front lip and the grille is going to look on this car. So I'm going to go ahead and click that button. And now it says estimated wait time 2 minutes. So we're going to go ahead and wait. I am going to fast forward the video. But again, this is going to be a very raw video, very little edits, because I just want to show you guys what we're working with this app. All right, guys, so we are back, and as you can see, the render finished. And here it's going to ask you to give your email in case you want to like save the render. But I'm going to hit this X button and we're going to see what it generated, okay? 3, 2, 1. Look at that, guys. Look at the front lip, look at that grille. And if you can't really see the difference, look at that, guys. This is going to really change how we pick our cosmetic mods because you can actually try them on the car. And if we look at the before and after, changes the grill completely, changes the bottom portion too. It changes the front lip. And I'm going to tell you guys this. I want you to look at the picture on the screen. If you were to go to actual pictures of this front lip and of this front grill, you would realize that it looks one to one, and that is what this product does. And I know right now you're gonna be like, wait, can't I just use ChatGPT? Can't I just use Gemini? Look, here I have an article pulled up. I looked up what is the best AI image generator of 2026. And right here, if you scroll down, it says Nano Banana Pro Gemini 3 is the best image generator of 2026. I went ahead and tried to do what I just tried with my application on Gemini. This is what it gave me. This is what it gave me. And I gave it all the information. I gave it a link to the website. I specifically told it to add it to the blue 2017 Mustang. And I even provided sample pictures of how the front lip should look. And this is how the front lip should look. And what it came out with was this. So no, these AI models aren't able to do these generations. And the reason is that what we're asking is a very specific mod. And these AI models, they're generally trained. They're not trained for specific mods. That is the difference with Motivax. It is specifically trained. And if I actually go over here and open up this picture, look at this. This is a real picture from American Muscle of how the lip should look. It is exactly the same. The crease, the little side part, you see this little side part? It gets everything. It gets everything. And that is what Motivax is good at. And that is what I want to show you guys. Also, there's this. Some websites have these 3D build your Mustang models, for example, American Muscle. And what they don't really show you is that if I click front bumper splitter, this MMD, MP Concepts, all this, these are companies owned by American Muscle. All these are under a company called Turn 5. So for one, these guys are just promoting their products. And these 3D builders, I mean, this is not your car. This is not your real life picture of your car with the mod on it. It is not the same. So yeah, if you were asking, wait, doesn't this exist? No, it doesn't. And I have more to demonstrate, so let me demonstrate some more, and then we're gonna talk about just the app itself a little bit. So I'm gonna click restart, and I'm gonna add a different picture, and this is the rear of the blue Mustang. So as you can see, it instantly picked up where the rear spoiler should be going and where the rear diffuser should be going. And what we're gonna do is, in this case, I'm just gonna add a rear diffuser. So we're gonna click on rear diffuser, it's gonna filter it, and we're gonna click try on car, back to studio, and we're gonna preview it. And again, I'm gonna be back when this is done generating, and it takes about a minute to do. All right, guys, so it's done generating, and I'm gonna hit the X button. look at that. Oh my God. So here is the GT350 style rear diffuser. And what I'm actually gonna do for this one is we're gonna go over here and we're gonna search up GT350 rear diffuser. And I'm gonna go ahead and find one. So this one, for example, we're gonna go to reviews and we're gonna open up customer images of the diffuser. And I mean, let me find one with like a clear back end shot. I think, I mean, all of these are pretty good. Let's do this one. This one was pretty clear. All right, so up here, this guy's car. Look at how it looks. I mean, literally the only difference I see here is the exhaust tip. And I mean, clearly the exhaust tips are almost different in a lot of these. But I mean, guys, come on. Guys, come on. You see this, right? I'm literally able to try on these mods so I can know exactly how it's gonna look on my car before I drop $1,000. So this one isn't $1,000, this diffuser, but you get the point. You guys, this, 700 bucks right here. I'm able to actually try it on and know how it's gonna look. And I don't know what to say, guys. Like this is now that I'm actually looking at the product coming together, it's really it's a big relief because I've been trying to get this out to you guys for a while, and I've been so excited to bring it because right now, even though like let me see, even though I don't have a lot of mods here, these are all demo products, guys. I mean, you can literally tell I took the front thumbnail picture off American Muscle just to try it out. These are all demo products that I've tried to show you guys what I'm able to build. And here's where I need your guys' help. So on my website, moddavax.com, okay? It's gonna be on the screen. On my website, moddavax.com, I have a little interest form. So literally all you do is type in your email. Literally all you do is type in your email and hit I'm interested, and this counter is gonna go up. As you can see, I haven't shown this to anyone. We're at 3. We're at 3 interests. You guys on my YouTube channel are the first ones to see it. When you guys enter your email, you're gonna get updates the second any of this gets released. But basically, my goal is to gauge how many people are interested to see how much faster I should be working on the development. Um, I'm literally in my college house. I'm a college student. I don't have infinite money. I, I don't have a lot of money, is what I'm trying to say. So I really want to understand and figure out how many people are interested in something like this before I start dumping all my time and whatever money I decide to put into this project. For the people who have been subscribed to me on the channel, all the money I made from my affiliates have been going towards this project. And the reason is this project fills a big gap. And I'm going to tell you guys, having a generator like this that's able to let you try on the car parts, it benefits both us consumers and the manufacturers. For one, you get to see it how it you see how it looks on your car and you trust it way more. So that means you're more likely to buy it, and that helps the manufacturers. But it also helps because you're not buying a product, having it shipped to your door, installing it, and then going, wait, this doesn't look good with my car. We're eliminating that. So we're gonna decrease the amount of returns these manufacturers are having to deal with. We're gonna decrease the returns for you guys who might want to return it, because a lot of these people are like, there's no returns because it's such a big item and it's so expensive. It's better if like they just don't take the return back. So usually it's like half stocking fee or just like no return in general. So that's another thing. And just the trust you have with the manufacturer after you're able to kind of see how it looks on your car, to me it's game changing. To me it's game changing because looking back like a couple of years ago when I was shopping for my mods, I mean, I would be going on here, for example. And again, guys, I'm showing American Muscle and I'm showing a Mustang because that's what I have. This can literally work with any car, and my goal is to start from Mustangs, branch out to BMW, Subaru, Honda, everything. I want to branch it out, but I need to know people are interested before I just start dumping my time into it. But yeah, I would literally go on here and I would say maybe I want this Euro style taillight, right? I would look at these pictures. I have a white Mustang. There's no white Mustangs in here. Okay, so I would go to reviews and then I would be like, okay. Oh, white Mustang. This one's convertible. That's not my car. He has a different rear spoiler than me. You know, I'm gonna keep scrolling. Oh, this one doesn't have a spoiler. I'm gonna keep going. This one has a different diffuser. Like, you see what I mean? It's not your car. Like, yeah, I see the taillights, but you don't see it with all the other mods. And I'm telling you guys, like this right here looks amazing. But I guarantee you, if this was like a different spoiler, it'll change your idea of what you want. So having your car specifically and being able to add those specific mods and see exactly how they'll look, it's really cool. And this honestly might inspiration for this was I love playing car games. My favorite game is Midnight Club LA. And I remember the customization on that game was crazy because you're able to use like actual branded parts. They weren't just like made up in-game stuff. They were actual parts from real companies they would have in the game. And yeah, I was able to actually try it on. It was so fun just trying on different car parts on a car. You can now do that with your car. You can use your car and mess around and find cool parts for it. And if you do make a sale, you're confident in what you bought. And that is what I want to do with Motivax over here. So if you guys do have time, I don't want to talk too long. I showed you what the app does. Please just go. I'm going to link it in the description and it's on the screen. Just go to motivax.com, type in your email and hit I'm interested. And if you guys want, I can set up a Discord server. I need feedback. I need feedback, a lot of it. So if you guys have specific feedback, I have my support email on the website as well. You can message me support. If you're a company, manufacturers, or you want to invest in my project, reach out to my support email as well. But in the comments on this YouTube video, I want you guys to tell me exactly what you think of this product. Do you think it's viable? Do you think I should keep working on it? Is this something you like? Just give me all your thoughts. I want criticism, harsh criticism. I want feedback from you guys because, again, I'm putting my time into this. I don't want to put my time into something that isn't going to be beneficial for the community, okay? So let's get this rolling. And guys, thank you so much for watching the video. I'll be replying to every single comment, so I'll be waiting for your message. Goodbye.